If you want to change the preferred game language in GOG, this video will walk you through it, step by step, in a quick and easy way. This is really useful if you want your games to install in a different language by default, or if you're setting up GOG for a new region, a new system, or just your personal preference. If this video helps, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open GOG and look to the top area of the app interface. You'll need to click the gear icon, which is the settings menu. This is where GOG keeps most of the app preferences, account options, and installation settings. Once you click the gear icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose Settings. This will open the full settings page where you can change several parts of how GOG behaves on your computer. Now that you're inside Settings, look for the section called Installing and Updating. This is the area that controls how your games are downloaded, installed, and configured. Click on Installing and Updating so you can access the language preference options. In this section, you should find the setting for preferred game language. This option tells GOG which language to use when installing or launching compatible games. Click the drop-down or selection box next to preferred game language, then choose the language you want. After selecting the language, GOG should save your preference automatically. But it's always a good idea to double-check that the new language is selected before closing the settings window. If needed, you may want to restart GOG so the new setting is fully applied, especially if you're about to install a new game or update an existing one. And that's it. You've now changed the preferred game language in GOG. From this point on, your game installation should follow the language you selected whenever that option is supported. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful GOG tips, PC app guides, and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.